I felt something like current is passing all through my body. Then after, it was like a big pillar extending into infinity from here, bottom of the body. From here, a big white pillar was there shining. Then I felt some shining stars-like things at the region of the chakras. Yeah, that's what I felt.
So who else wants to share? Do you want to share? Please, come. If you have another mic, it's fine.
ఇప్పుడు ఎనర్జీ ఇస్తున్నప్పుడు టార్చ్ లైట్ వేస్తే ఎలా వెలుగు పడుతుందో అలా నా చేతి నుండి అలా వెలుగు ఆ మణిపూర్ చక్ర దగ్గర పడింది.
When I started giving the energy, I felt as if something is switched on like a torchlight. When my hand went to the solar plexus region, giving the energy to it.
తర్వాత ఇప్పుడు భుజాలు పట్టుకున్నప్పుడు కళ్ళు మూసుకొని ప్రేయర్ చేసినప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ జీసస్ వచ్చారు.
When I placed my hands on the shoulders, I felt the presence of the Jesus Christ. I saw him.
షైన్గా ఎనర్జీగా ఆయన నుండి వస్తూ ఉంది. వెంటనే తర్వాత మేడం కనిపించారు. ఇలా కాదండి, ఇంకా చాలా బ్రైట్గా ప్రకాశంగా షైన్గా కనిపించారు.
Then after Jesus Christ, Michaela and Apostle appeared in my vision and he much more bright.
ఎనర్జీ ఆయనకి పాస్ అయింది. ఇలాగా ఒళ్ళంతా వేడిగా ఉంది. ఆ వేడి మనకి ఎనర్జీ ఇచ్చాక నాకు కూల్ అయింది, బాడీ మొత్తం కూల్ అయిపోయింది.
So from then the energy started coming into me. Then I passed on that energy to him. And initially when I began, there was burning sensation in my eyes. Felt a lot of sensation in my eyes. Later, all that went away when the energy is passed to him.
ఈ క్షణం నుండి అతనిలో ఇంకా ఏ నెగిటివ్ ఉన్నా సరే మొత్తం క్లియర్ అయిపోతుంది. ఈ క్షణం నుంచి ఇంత పెద్ద మెగా పిరమిడ్లో ఉన్నాను. ఈ క్షణం నుంచి తన బాడీ మొత్తం చాలా ఆరోగ్యవంతంగా ఉంటుంది అని.
I gave an intention. From this moment, he will be completely alright, physically, mentally, health, full of health, because he is in this mega pyramid, big pyramid.
నా ఖండాలు ఖండాలుగా మనం గ్లోబ్ చూసినట్లు కనిపించింది. తర్వాత ఇంకా వేరే వేరే డివైన్ లేవు, సముద్రాలు ఖండాలు లేకుండా మొత్తం లైట్గా అయిపోయింది.
Very good, thank you.
She saw the earth as a ball between her hands, and initially she saw all the continents which are separated by the oceans. When she started passing light at the end, it's all one. Pure light encompassed the whole earth.
Oh, great, great experience. Thank you very much for sharing this as well. So somebody else who wants to share?
When sucking here,
Mm-hmm.
I didn't understand what it is, and I had a hot sensation.
Mm-hmm.
My body is completely hot now.
Mm-hmm. Yes, that's the energy. So we can make pancakes together on our hands. We can feed old people tonight. Okay. But
I didn't get the picture of the world or the continents or the this oceans. Like I didn't get any pictures or any personalities.
Mm-hmm.
Just the mind was only on her body.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
That's
And how do you feel afterwards, after the healing?
we came and we
నాకు వేడిగా ఉందండి, అంతకన్నా ఏం తెలియలేదు. వేడిగా అనిపించింది.
Actually, what she told, I followed that. I kept my hand on the shoulder of my friend. Initially, there was energy flowing through my mind, connected to the cosmos. it was a pink color, and through that my third eye flowed to my hand, then it flown to the shoulder of my friend, and I was observing, continually I was observing, and when I shared my experience with my friend, when she spelled her word to stop, the first word, before that, my energy stopped. Sorry, I told her. Okay. Stop. And we felt
I could see that you are here.
we felt only the energy. No imagination, nothing. Just the warm, the energy was flowing to us. Any experience?
Thank you very much.
Although a lot of need was generating when I put hands on him. I was just observing that flow of energy.
Okay.
I was just observing my breath. And was totally silent when he put his hands. After he said after some time he.
So a lot of heat was coming through my hand. I felt that.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Thank you very much for sharing this nice experience. Thank you. So somebody else? Yes, please.
I had a problem, but when I was giving energy to him, I felt a severe pain in my right hand. Can you tell me why it happened?
So you had a problem into your right hand?
Right.
Okay. When was it? When did it start?
It was many years in my hand, but after meditating, it's completely.
So it was completely cured.
Yes.
And now with the healing it started again.
Yes. Now
Okay.
it's completely fine. Feeling fine.
Now it's fine. Now I wanted that you share what you have found about it.
So when he touched my shoulder from behind, I had a feeling like a warm energy lay over my chest and over my spine, like you can imagine like some glue or honey or stuff like that, and I still feel the pattern even if it is no longer warm.
Oh, what a great experience. Thank you very much.
When he touched my body, I just felt like there were wires in my body passing current. That's it.
Thank you very much. And how was it? How did you feel the energy when it was coming? Was your hands getting hot?
No, it was normal.
Was normal, okay, because there was really big light behind you, a great spirit behind you. That's why I wanted that to share.
At times I thought I should go to a doctor, but I knew some processing is going on, so I just waited. Once I came into the pyramid, from the second day I think it's disappeared. And I had severe backache because I was sitting here for the last 6 days without any support. Almost 12-13 hours in that position. I was feeling severe pain at the back. The healing was done, it's disappeared now.
Oh, what a great experience. Thank you very much for sharing. Thank you.